Looking for gardening tools that won't break the bank but still deliver solid results? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the right tools can make a huge difference. In this video, we're diving into some budget-friendly gardening tools that offer excellent performance without compromising quality. Let's explore how these affordable tools can help you maintain a healthy and beautiful garden, all while staying within budget. Radius Garden Hand Trowel. Imagine stepping into your garden, ready to tackle your planting tasks, and you reach for the Radius Garden aluminum hand trowel. Priced at just $11.99, this lightweight yet durable tool stands out with its patented ergonomic design, offering exceptional leverage and reducing hand and wrist strain. The die-cast aluminum blade ensures you can dig through all soil conditions without worrying about rust or wear, while the natural Radius grip provides comfort and control, even for those with limited hand strength or arthritis. Whether you're potting, planting, or loosening soil, this versatile trowel makes gardening easier and more enjoyable. Its non-latex thermoplastic grip adds to the comfort, making it perfect for extended use. Ideal for gardeners of all experience levels, this affordable and effective tool brings precision and comfort to your gardening routine. Fiskars Gardening Tool Set. When you're ready to enhance your gardening tools, the Fiskars Gardening Tool Set makes tackling outdoor tasks easy and comfortable. Priced at just $20.69, this set includes a trowel, transplanter, and cultivator, designed for a variety of gardening jobs like digging, aerating, and transplanting. The cast aluminum heads provide strength and rust resistance, ensuring long-lasting durability. The soft grip ergonomic handles are perfect for reducing fatigue, allowing for better control during extended use. Ideal for digging in tough soil or working on delicate plants, this set offers precision and power. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, these tools are versatile enough to handle all your gardening needs. With a lifetime warranty included, you can rely on this set to last, making it a great addition to your garden at an affordable price. AMES Weeder. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly tool to handle weeding and small root removal, the AMES stainless steel weeder is an excellent choice. Priced at just $15, this tool is designed for precision and comfort. The 14-inch weeder features a sharp edge, serrated edge, and weeder tip, making it perfect for flower beds and small vegetable garden. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the Ergo Gel Grip handle reduces hand fatigue, allowing for longer gardening sessions without discomfort. Whether you're slicing through weeds or removing roots, this tool provides the strength and comfort needed for efficient work. At such an affordable price, the AMES Weeder is a great addition to your gardening toolkit, providing high-quality performance without the high cost. FANHAO Nozzle Sprayer. When you're tackling outdoor projects, the FANHAO upgraded garden hose nozzle sprayer becomes an invaluable tool. Its 100% metal construction, made of high-grade zinc alloy and solid brass, ensures durability and resistance to rust and corrosion, making it a long-lasting addition to your garden. At $17.68, it offers incredible value for its price. The nozzle features 4 adjustable spraying patterns, allowing you to switch between different modes for tasks like watering plants, cleaning your car, or rinsing walkways with ease. The labor-saving design includes a convenient lock bar, so you can keep the water flow going without needing to apply pressure continuously, reducing hand fatigue. With a leak-proof seal and compatibility with all standard 3/4 garden hoses, this nozzle is built to deliver consistent performance. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just maintaining your yard, the FANHAO nozzle offers excellent functionality at an affordable price. G&F Gardening Gloves. If you're tired of struggling with thorns and want to make your gardening tasks more comfortable, the G&F gardening gloves are the solution. At just $13.58, these gloves offer excellent value. The 15-inch gauntlet cuff protects your forearms from cuts and scratches, while the synthetic leather palm, reinforced with double stitching and padding, makes them thorn-resistant for tasks like trimming roses and bushes. The stretchable spandex back ensures a comfortable fit, keeping your hands cool and flexible even during long gardening sessions. Whether you're handling sharp edges, pruning bushes, or weeding, these gloves provide the protection and comfort you need to tackle any task. The gloves come in sizes for both men and women, making them versatile for a range of gardeners. For just $13.58, you'll be ready to work in the garden with confidence. Oliynedy Leaf Rake. If you're tired of struggling with multiple rakes for different tasks in your garden, the Oliynedy adjustable metal leaf rake is a game changer, all for just $19.99. This heavy-duty rake features an expandable head, adjusting from 8 to 17 inches to handle everything from tight spaces around shrubs to large lawn areas. Its 1-inch diameter metal construction is built to last, preventing rust and bending even under heavy use. The adjustable 30 to 58-inch handle caters to users of all heights, ensuring comfort while raking. Whether you're clearing pine needles, leaves, or debris from your yard, this rake gets the job done efficiently. The quick assembly means no hassle. Just screw the poles together and you're ready to go. Plus, its collapsible design makes it easy to carry on camping trips. For its price and versatility, this rake offers great value and is a must-have for any gardener. Bloem Watering Can. If you're looking for a practical, budget-friendly gardening tool, the Bloem Easy Pour Watering Can is a solid choice. With a 2.6-gallon capacity, this can hold plenty of water, reducing the need for constant refills during those long watering sessions. Its dual-handle design makes pouring effortless, with one handle hinged for added maneuverability. Whether you're watering delicate flowers or heavy shrubs, the adjustable 2-in-1 spout provides either a light shower or a heavy stream, ensuring you can cater to various plant needs. Constructed from UV-stabilized polypropylene, it's durable enough to handle extreme weather without cracking or fading. At just $17.68, it offers great value for gardeners who want quality and ease in one tool. With a user-friendly filling hole on the side, refilling is hassle-free, and the BPA-free material ensures safe watering for your plants. Whether you're an avid gardener or a beginner, this watering can is a reliable addition to your gardening toolkit. Fiskars Micro Tip Pruning Snips. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option to keep your garden neat, the Fiskars Micro Tip Pruning Snips are a fantastic choice at just $13.96. These shears are perfect for precise cuts on flowers, herbs, and small plants, even in tight spaces. The micro-tip blades cut all the way to the tip, ensuring clean, healthy cuts every time. The ergonomic design paired with an easy action spring makes them comfortable to use without causing hand fatigue. Whether you're pruning delicate flowers or trimming your herbs, these snips offer excellent precision with minimal effort. Plus, the non-stick coating on the blades helps reduce jamming during use, ensuring long-lasting sharpness. With a protective sheath for safety, these pruning shears are as practical as they are effective. If you're a gardener looking for an affordable tool that delivers professional results, these Fiskars pruning snips are a must-have. UnionTools Garden Spade. The UnionTools Garden Spade is a reliable, budget-friendly tool for any gardener. Priced at just $19.99, it features a durable 9-inch open-back blade that makes digging in confined spaces easy. The hardwood handle is sturdy, and the D-grip ensures comfort even with gloves on. Weighing only 3.4 pounds, it offers a balanced feel that's ideal for long gardening sessions. The 9-inch socket strengthens the connection between blade and handle, ensuring longevity. Whether you're digging, transplanting, or edging, this spade delivers quality performance without breaking the bank. It's a must-have for efficient gardening. EXTRAEASY Landscape Fabric. The EXTRAEASY Weed Barrier Landscape Fabric is a great budget-friendly option for any gardener looking to control weeds effectively. This heavy-duty fabric is made from tear-resistant polypropylene and offers excellent air and water permeability, which ensures your plants get the moisture and nutrients they need while preventing weed growth. At 3.2 ounces, it's sturdy enough for long-term use without breaking down. Its large size of 4 feet by 300 feet makes it ideal for covering large areas, saving you time and effort compared to smaller roll. Installation is straightforward. Just unroll, cut to fit, and secure in place. This fabric not only reduces weed growth, but also helps retain soil moisture, cutting down on watering frequency. At just $48.87, it's an affordable solution for maintaining a healthy garden